The reason I came to the VA to begin with was I had some severe back pain and my right hip was hurting very bad. So I wanted to get it x-rayed to see what the problem was. It was bone on bone, so it was extremely painful. So yeah, there weren't many options for the hip at that time. My doctor here, Dr. Thrani, went over all the different options. There was only a couple, but the long term was a hip replacement. The day of surgery, the experience was great. I mean, actually, they had given me a date of March to get in to have the operation, but I was in so much pain, I asked the orthopedic nurse who schedules, her name is Jan, if they had any openings to please call me because it was hurting so bad. And so wintertime's a good time for cancellations because people get sick. So actually, she called me the next day and said, we're going to get you in December. So it was great news. I was extremely pleased. The surgery took about 3 hours. Actually, a small incision about 4 inches long. Everything went pretty smooth, is what I remember and what they talked about. So it's been great ever since. It's a year ago, but the recovery period was, I was home about 3 weeks off of work. I'd still work. They sent physical therapists to our home. We had to move a bed onto the first floor because I couldn't negotiate steps. But they gave me all the necessary tools to negotiate, getting to the restroom. I felt like an old geezer, but they gave me a walker, a cane, actually I forget what you call it, but it's one of those toe or the shoe horns. It was an extended one, so I could get my shoes on. Because to be honest with you, I couldn't tie my shoes for over a year. So my wife had to do it, or I had to have slip-ons. And every day I followed the physical therapist's recommendations, which I had a great physical therapist. Stephanie, she worked with me very, one-on-one. After the 3 weeks I was coming to the VA to see her, and I did everything they asked me to do, and it was a quick recovery as far as I'm concerned. It was great. Range of motion's fantastic. No issues, no pain. So veterans who are in need of help, some people are proud, or too proud to take help, but it doesn't matter what branch you were in. We're all in this thing together, and some people made more sacrifices than others, but I'd say my heart goes out to those people, but take advantage of whatever's out there for you. It's not, it's not like you're looking for a handout. It's just a really, really good facility. Sometimes you have to wait, like if you wait on medications or whatever, or prescription, but the wait's well worth it. I would say you guys are fantastic. Keep doing what you're doing. They're very personable, call you by your first name. I've had no bad experience here at all. It's all been very positive. The staff is very up and motivated, and I couldn't say anything more, but they're fantastic. I didn't have to worry about anything.